Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Eddie from Average Joe Drinks.
And I'm Vince, and we're here to make drinks suitable for the average Joe. Just like my dad intended when he spent the bulk of his life collecting drink recipes, we're here to share some with you now.
That's right. So sit back, enjoy, and please try this at home.
So today, another old one from the 1930s, raspberry cream. Super simple. We're going to do vodka, Chambord, which is a raspberry liqueur. Used that before, and then cream. So part of the problem we've had before, the cream seems to curdle in an alcohol base. So depending on how this goes right now, we might have a Halloween drink that looks like brains.
Yeah, drinks that you can chew are not good, but brains are good. So,
or something that looks, super nice. Raspberry cream. It might be, well, the curdled cream is kind of, anyway. Let's just go see how this goes. Per drink, we got 2 tablespoons of vodka. Vodka. So 2 tablespoons is about an ounce. I'm going to go with 4 tablespoons because we're making 2.
always make 2 drinks.
Always make 2.
Unless you're home alone, then that might be too much. But if you got a buddy there,
time solves a lot of ills.
So
you make 2, then you just take your time, and you're fine.
Make a friend, keep a friend. It's good for you.
1.5 tablespoons Chambord. So I think the original drink was kind of 50-50, but we're going to go with 1.5 per drink. So we're going to go to 3 tablespoons, a little bit less.
Which is what, ounce and a half? It is.
It is.
Yeah.
That's right. I'm not a mathematician. I sell real estate.
I only say that because some people might only have like a little jigger, which has an ounce and a half an ounce, so that way you can do your thing.
Eddie knows. Trust him. He's the smart one. There's a lot to be said for the relative size of brain power.
Did you say how big it was?
Oh, then you shake it. In a cocktail shaker. With ice.
As opposed to?
I tested this in a Yeti hot and cold cup.
Camping cocktails coming soon. There's a little, a little click.
I love it.
All right.
So we're going to strain this into a glass filled with ice.
Drinks that you can chew. Part 2.
We might wind up there. So what I'm doing with this, because of the testing, what the fuck, man? Well, we could just add more to it. I could just make another round. Well, now I got too much ice. This is tragic.
Somebody's a little rusty.
Yeah, well, and we did it in your tiramisu cups. That's why they were little tiny things. That's not a shot.
Thank you. Did I actually make it? I was hoping
You
it
did.
hit a window or something. Take somebody's eye out.
How are you going to edit that?
Don't edit it. We are average Joes.
That's sometimes less than. And then realistically, the recipe. Oh, sorry. So we should put this up as the first one that we reintroduced, and we can claim rusty rather than just dumb. So the next step is to float the cream on top. And like I said, we were having trouble with it curdling. The recipe calls for 1.5 tablespoons per drink.
Okay.
It seemed to be kind of a lot.
That's a lot, yeah.
So what we came up with was just having the ice protrude above it a little bit and just carefully kind of swirling it around. Normally when you layer, you put your spoon in.
Mm-hmm. Or right at the base, yeah.
Yeah, but because cream is so thick, it really did curdle. Right where you touched it, it all went down deep, and then it didn't even make it all its way across the glass. So cream is apparently a little bit harder to layer than, different similar types of alcohol.
Cream's not an alcohol.
Huh? can say this stuff out loud. It's okay. I won't throw you out.
I said cream's not an alcohol.
Well, that's what I mean. It's harder to do than cream. Or than, you know what? It's just hard. Very complicated stuff.
We're doing some science stuff here, right?
We're back to Breaking Bad again.
I'm Jesse.
I guess I'm the guy who melted. But there you go. So that doesn't look overly curled, right? It does taste better than it looks, and this might be better suited to a Halloween drink. Or you could call it like a stormy raspberry. A cumulonimbus.
Cheers. Oh, that looks cool.
See?
Looks like a
And
storm.
it tastes good.
Yeah, it does taste good.
So if you get really hung up on appearances, then you can't be my friend.
I'm not hung up on that.
Good.
It is tasty though, yes, I agree.
So really, vodka, Chambord, and cream. Raspberry cream.
Looks like a potion.
It might be better suited for a Halloween drink. Maybe we need to
a Harry Potter
revisit
potion.
this later. Harry Potter cream. No.
Probably Gryffindor is close to that. Anyway, sorry. I digress. If you like what you've seen today, we ask you to do a couple of things. You are on YouTube, so please like the video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do.
Yes.
We are getting close to the milestone of 1,000, and it would be awesome if you could help us get it there. If you're already a subscriber or not, still share video with other people, and maybe they can help us get there too.
We're on social media, Facebook, Every Show Drinks. Have a blog at everyshowdrinks.com. TikTok, Twitter. Twatter.
I don't think we're on that. I'm not on that. I don't know what he's on.
OnlyFans.
I'm not on that either.
Okay.
I'm not.
Start
I wouldn't
my
make
part
any
again?
money if I was on there, so I would just be sitting there. No. Anyways, so please drink responsibly.
Please try this at home, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.